In the last video, we have seen a 3 query which we have searched in Google. So among all the query, the third is the best because it contains only appropriate query. The first query, which city is called the city of joy? The word which city is called is not the appropriate word. The second query is city of joy. When you search city of joy in Google, it will show a name of a movie. So it is also not good in our query because we are searching for a city. And the third, city of joy in India is good because it contains only an appropriate keyword. Nothing more, nothing less. So you can select your query appropriately to obtain desired result. Please note that it requires a little bit practice to master it.